is celebrated every year on the fourth Sunday of July. Parents' Day is an opportunity for our society to honor the very tough and critically important job that every parent does every day of raising the next generation of citizens. It's also a day for parents to celebrate their children and their family as a whole. Aside from Mother's Day or Father's Day, this holiday we can dedicate our time and effort to show our parents how grateful we are for them. So, friends, here I come with 10 plus ideas on how to celebrate Parents' Day. But before starting this video, I request you, if you are new to my channel and if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notifications of upcoming videos. So the first idea is make a personalized card. Don't buy a card, make one. If your kiddos are younger, help them make a card for the other parent. Regardless of your parent's age or status in life, giving them a personalized card with a message from you is bound to warm their hearts and make them smile. Not often do we get to say how we really feel face to face. Doing so in card form will not only get your message across, but will also provide them a personal keepsake for the years to come. Second idea is give them a handcrafted gift. For Parents' Day, why not give your mom and dad a personalized gift according to the liking? Whether it's a sketch, painting, jewelry, or anything else you can come up with. Sharing a gift to your parents who have supported you from the start is a pleasant surprise to warm up their hearts. Third idea is hold a family conversation. Parents can sit down with their children and discuss the meaning of Parents' Day and come up with the ideas to celebrate it as a family. There could be discussion about family and parenting. Topics could include the best thing about your family, what qualities make a good parent, and what brings a family close. Fourth idea is share a family breakfast. A special breakfast is an ideal setting for a family conversation like the one discussed above. Instead of mommy and daddy cooking breakfast, the whole family can get into the action and use it as a way to bond. Assign each family member a task so the job is accomplished by teamwork. You can bake a cake. What is better than cake and ice cream? Just go and bake a cake. Fifth idea is praise someone's parenting. On Parents' Day, let another parent know what you admire about his or her parenting. Parents can support one another by giving positive feedback about their children or their parenting. Sixth idea is show appreciation for your family. Make this holiday a time for family members to celebrate one another. Ask your children, depending on their age, to write down or say 3 things that they appreciate about you as a parent. Afterwards, do the same and write down 3 things you appreciate about your children. Seventh idea is write them a poem. If you are neither a singer or a musician, but you would still like to creatively honor your parents, then perhaps writing them a poem will be the best way. If you find that you have a way with words that can help you express yourself to the fullest, then go for it by all means. Eighth idea is write them a song. Whether you are an expert or just starting out, a song with your own written lyrics can definitely make your parents feel loved and special. Ninth idea is what did your mom or dad teach you activity? You could have your kids tell or write one or a few things they have been taught by their mom or dad for Parents' Day. 10th idea is go for a vacation. Going out to the mountains or the beach can help refresh anyone from the hustle bustle of the city. If you feel like your family hasn't had the time to go for a break like this in a while, then perhaps taking a vacation on Parents' Day would be an ideal way to celebrate the occasion. Whether you prefer camping in the wild or swimming in a fun resort, they are all great ways to unwind together with the family. Taking your mind off stress is healthy and good for you. And doing so by going out of town will also let you bring home lots of fun memories you will want to keep forever. My other ideas includes decorating the house with the family quotes, cards, pictures, balloons, etc. You can also create a family tree and show it to your children, highlighting the importance of togetherness and family. So friends, you can observe this special holiday with these fun and meaningful family friendly activities. But before I end this video, I just want to remind everyone that this is not the only day we should be showing our parents our love for them, but we should always be grateful to them for all their sacrifices and love for us, and try to take out time for them every single day. So friends, I hope these ideas will help you in making this day special for your parents. Do comment below Happy Parents Day if you like the ideas, and please subscribe to my channel. And yes, don't forget to share this video and help others in making this day a very special for their parents. Thank you. Wish you all a very happy Parents Day. Take care. Bye bye.